Hi, welcome. So we have got another question from surface areas and volumes, and the question says that a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, right? And the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform with this dimensions like 22 meter by 14 meter, and we need to find out the height of the platform, right? Now that's very simple. The earth, meaning the mud, right? The mud which has come out of by digging this well. The volume of this mud will be exactly equal to the volume of the platform which is being made. So and we need to find out the height of the platform, right? So let's just write the relationship. The relationship is that the volume of the platform, right? This platform is made from the mud which has come out of the well by digging it, right? So that means the volume of the platform will be equal to the volume of the earth or the mud which has come out, right? Now we know that the mud is in the form of a cylinder because the well is like this, circle from the top, and it has gone like this. So the whole, it's a cylindrical form. So the volume of the mud can be calculated with the formula of the cylinder, and that is pi r square h. Now that is like pi, and we know that the radius of the well will be 7 over 2, so that means 3.5 meter, right? So this is like multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5, and the height is the depth of the well, which is 20, right? Now we also know that the platform is in the cuboid form, right? It's in a cuboid form, so this is going to be L into B into H. The volume of the platform will be this, and we need to find out the H of this, that's this, and LB will come this side, and this will be like 22 by 14 by 14, right? So now let's simplify it and we will get the answer. So this is like 22 by 7 and 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Oh, there was a mistake here. Yeah, multiplication sign, and then multiplied by 20, and then we can put these two, 22 and 14 also. And now let's start simplifying it. So we get this by this, and 7, this is twice, and 7 by 7 this comes like 0.5, by 7 this comes like 0.5, and by 2 this comes like 10. So this is like 2.5 meter. So the answer is that the height of the platform, the height of this platform will be 2.5 meter. That's the final answer. So this was a very, very simple question. I hope you could understand that, and I am coming up with more videos. Please keep watching these videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and bye bye.